We started the game reasonably brightly, nearly scored after 30 seconds, I think. Keeper got the ball stuck under his feet and we got a press on him and it just went inches wide. And then, to be fair, they probably were the better team for 15-20 minutes. But then from then on to half-time, we took control of the game. Didn't perhaps create enough chances, clear-cut chances. But similarly, second half, 0-0 half-time, obviously looked at things where we could improve on. We actually did quite well defensively, made one slight error of judgment where the goalkeeper Adam Prizybeck had to rescue us. But second half, again, after 10-15 minutes, settled down and controlled the game again with some really good chances. I mean, we must have flashed 3 or 4 good opportunities across the face of goal, and we just couldn't get the tiniest of touches on a few of them to nudge her into the back of the net. And then we got hit with a sucker punch late in the game. Again, perhaps a decision that the one or two of the players will look back on and think perhaps I could have done this, could have done that. It's a learning curve. These games are still, in many respects, development games in terms of getting minutes, getting game time, and putting themselves on a platform to produce good levels of performance and hopefully move up to the first team eventually.
I think we were on the front foot for most of the game. We had spells where we really had them pinned back. We had a couple of chances that it was literally just inches. If someone had stuck a leg out, or if it had just been a bit more in the corner, it would have been in. And in football, it's just those fine margins, so it's just disappointing. Yeah.
What was it like walking out and then singing that anthem for the first time with the 21s as well?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's a proud moment, and I really felt when I came out with the team, it was where I belonged, and yeah, I loved it.